Couplets.
Ladybug's head.
Ladybug's head.
A ladybug's head is tiny.
Tiger's teeth.
Tiger's teeth.
When a tiger roars, it shows all teeth.
Lizard's foot.
Lizard's foot.
The lizard has 4 feet.
Lion's tongue.
Lion's tongue.
The lion is licking its body with its tongue.
Ladybug's head.
Ladybug's head. Tiger's teeth.
Tiger's teeth. Lizard's foot.
Lizard's foot. Lion's tongue.
Lion's tongue.
O. Of. By. O.
Of.
By. Us.
Or.
If. Wild animals. Bear.
Bear. Bear. Bears can climb trees.
Rhino.
Rhino. Rhino. The rhino has a horn that grows from its nose.
Panda.
Panda. Panda.
Pandas are really good at climbing.
Snake.
Snake. Snake.
Snakes don't have legs, but they can slither quickly. Bear.
Bear.
Rhino.
Rhino.
Panda.
Panda.
Snake.
Snake. Cook. Cook. Pink. Pink. Duck. Duck.
Words end with K.
Duck.
Sick. Sock. Walk.
Park. Mask.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
That is right.
Snake.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
That is right.
Ladybug's head.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it.
Tiger's teeth. Can you pick out?
Bear.
Awesome.
Bear.
Which one is?
Lizard's foot.
You did it!
Lizard's foot.
Can you pick out? Lion's tongue.
You did it.
Lion's tongue. Can you pick out?
Of. Great job!
Can you pick out?
O.
You did it!
Hooray! You have finished a lesson.
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker!
Play lessons to earn more stickers.